China is so big, and as a result, China importation might be quite difficult, most especially if you don't know how best to source for items by specific products. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best website you can use to import shoes from China at a very cheap price. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you really want to import shoes from China at a very cheap price, consider to visit this particular website right here. The website URL here is so06.com. So this is this website URL, just like what you are seeing on the screen right here. Now, when you get to the site, this is how it's going to load up. So you can simply scroll down and see more shoes available for purchase, more shoes available that you can buy from different suppliers at a very cheap price. Now, when you get to the site, it is always advisable to access the site using Google Chrome. This will allow you to translate to different language of your choice. So let's say, for instance, we want to translate the entire page of this particular website from Chinese character to English language. What you want to do is to simply right-click outside the web page. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to translate to English language. Then make sure you click on English from the top right here. So in a few seconds, it's going to translate the page from Chinese to English language, just like what you see right here. Now, when you translate to English language, you'll be able to understand how to navigate on the site and how to make a purchase on the site. One more thing you can do as far as language conversion is concerned on this particular website, if you don't understand English language and you want to translate to the best language you understand, what you need to do is to simply click on the three dots from here. Then right here, make sure you navigate to choose another language. Then you can, from the drop down, select the language you understand. Then you'll be able to translate into easily language that you can understand. Now we have translated to English language. Let's see how best you can navigate on this site. Now from the top right here, where you see this particular camera icon here, this icon here allow you to search product by image. What you do here is to simply get the picture of the particular shoes that you are looking for, upload it with this camera icon, then you are going to see a similar result. From there, you can choose a supplier. Then from the top right here, you'll be able to see some of the live items that was just uploaded on the site. It's as simple as that. Now, right here, where you see free registration, this is a section whereby you can use to register on the site. Without a proper registration, you cannot do any transaction on the site. So you have to create a free account. And for you to create a free account, you can use your email address to create a free account. It's as simple as that. Or better still, if you have WeChat account, you can use it to create a free account on the site. After you are able to create a free account, that is when you can make a purchase from any supplier as far as the site is concerned. Then right here, from the section here, or under the all section right here, if you come to all section here, this is the situation whereby you source by category. Now, in this section here, there are different categories of shoes that you can purchase from this site, such as fashion shoes for men, sports shoes, women's shoes, children's shoes, baby shoes, parent or children's shoes, etc. So the more you hover your mouse around the category, the more items is going to load up. It's as simple as that. Now, you can also scroll down from the home page like this, then you'll be able to see more shoes. Basically, what you get on this particular website is pure shoes at a very cheap price from different manufacturers right from China. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more shoes is going to load up, just like so. So you can see, so just like so, the more you scroll down, the more shoes is going to load up, just like what you see right here. You can see new arrival for this season, new arrival for this season. So just continue to scroll down. Then from the bottom side of the site right here, so from the section here where you have beginner classes right here, this is where you have to register as a new member. You can see new user registration. You can simply create a free account, just like how I explained from the beginning right here. And also, you can simply watch a simple tutorial on how to place order on this particular website. Then also, you can also contact them online using this particular chat number right here. Or better still, you can connect with them on WeChat using this particular QR code right here. So it's as simple as that. So when you deal on this particular website, you have access to physical market. So physical market section here simply means that if you are in China and you get a supplier from this particular website, you can easily get their address and visit their physical marketplace and get your item, make a payment on delivery. That is an alternative on this side. And for you to get a supplier physical contact address in China, for those who are in China right now, as at the time of watching this video. So if you are in China and you want to get a physical address of any supplier from this particular website, so this is what you need to do. What you need to do is to simply click on any of the supplier. Let's, for instance, I want to get this particular fashion large size adjustable sander supplier contact. I want to visit them offline in their store in China. What you need to do is to simply click on the product link. When you click on the product link, it loads up to a new page, just like so. You can simply click on English right here, just for us to translate to English language. If you don't understand English language, click on this three dot here and pick from variety of language. Now, this shoe right here, basic price here is 25 yuan. And if you want to contact the supplier offline, you want to visit their physical marketplace, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and come to this particular side right here. So this is the store address right here, just like so. Then right here, you have their WeChat number right here. You can simply contact them on WeChat, chat them up on WeChat before you visit their physical store. Alternatively, this is their QQ address. You can also contact them. But if you want to place order online, you just need to have an Alipay and add item to cart, proceed to payment with your Alipay, and they will send your item to you in your location. You can scroll down and see more products from this particular store. These are all products, different products from this particular store. You can see new arrival from this particular store right here. So you scroll to the top right here. This is the store name right here, hygiene shoes. Okay, then the variety size of the shoe here, starting from size 38 to 47, are available in store. And also they have black color, dark blue, and khaki color. Simple as that. So you can scroll down and see more information about the product, just like so. Then check on the graphic detail of the product. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is one of the best websites that you can use to import shoes at a very cheap price from China to any part of the world. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China to any part of the world. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.